Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your love.
Hello friends, welcome back to Amazing Women's World. In this video I have come up to show you making of one more beautiful designing on the neckline. The final outcome will look like Ori or the Makam work pattern, but I am gonna design this on already stitched blouse. Following these instructions you can try for any types of garment designing on the necklines. So firstly I'd be highlighting the neckline using the chain ball lace and stone lace. Next to that I'll be using this lace which is very inexpensive. It's 10 rupees per meter. For the complete blouse I'd be using 1.5 meters of this beautiful rhinestone lace, and next to this I'll be using drop shape frames followed with the leaf shape frames. This is to create the design. So I'll be applying the glue lines underneath with 2 lines like this in the center with the drop shape frame. Next to that I'll be sticking the gold antique Lakshmi coin, and it's of medium size here. I'll be using for the neckline. The design we have to make something like this. Firstly I'll do the glue work, then followed with an invisible stitches on it, so that even after the frequent washes it will not come out, and glue work will make your work easy to do. Half of your time will be saved with this glue work, but ensure that the glue stains will not left, otherwise it will left with the oil stain which is not removable. And on the complete neckline, also on the sleeve opening, I'd be designing in this way only. Really friends, this is looking so simple pattern to make it or to wear it, but the final outcome will really gives rich and elegant look. This type of beautiful design, very cost efficient and time saving projects. The materials which I have used for this designing are easily available in the fancy stores, tailoring material shops. Also the links is given in the description box. If you want you can check it. Leftover space on this blouse, I'll be creating this beautiful designer booty. Simple. Firstly applying the V-shape glue lines like this. For that I'll be sticking leaf shape frames in the center with the drop shape frame, and underneath I'll be sticking small size of Lakshmi coin. And that now the framework has completely dried. Using the cotton silk thread and 9mm needle, here I'm gonna give an invisible stitches on each and every frame towards these tips. Now that the stitching is completely done, I'll be using the kundans of drop shape followed with the leaf shape kundans which is of green color. Here I'm gonna stick in these frames, so for that I'll be applying the glue. Using the multicolors will really enhances the neckline, also will really gives the graceful look. And we can also try this type of designed blouses for any types of plain sarees or for patto saree. Because of multicolor combination, it suits to anyone for any age groups. You can also try this. Now in the circular frames I'll be applying the glue dots to stick the rhinestones, and on this Lakshmi coin also I'll be applying the glue to stick red color kundan of circular shape, small size. And friends, I'm almost done with this designing and it's turned out pretty beautiful. Before it was a plain blouse. The final outcome would look like this with the completely heavily designed neckline with the Lakshmi coin work. It's traditional, ethnic and gives the stunning appeal once you wear it. The complete blouse with the neckline and also sleeves design. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. If you like it, please hit the like icon to support my efforts. Also do share this video in your community or circles. May be useful to others. Thank you so much for watching, friends. Meet you all with another interesting video. Subscribe to Amazon Women's World channel. Stay tuned to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Please do also hit the bell icon